Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. We're going to do a quick walkthrough on this new 2026 Grady-White 275 Freedom. This is one of Grady's most popular boats for sure, and it's popular because of its versatility. If you want a fishing boat, but you want a boat to cruise around into, the Freedom models are it, and they start off down in the 23-foot and go up into the 40-foot size range, and this is the 27-footer that we're on today. First thing that you always notice when you get on a Grady-White is the hardware and how everything is overbuilt. Look at this back door on here. It's not 2 inches thick fiberglass. The hinges on here are something like that you would see on a 50-foot sport fish, not typically a 27-footer. A lot of our competition, you look at this back door when you first step on, it's a half-inch piece of plastic with hinges that are about this big. But anyway, that just goes to show you how overbuilt this boat is right from the time that you step on. This one's powered with 200 horsepower 4-stroke Yamahas. This does have joystick piloting as well, so getting in and out of your slip, getting to the dock, getting the fuel dock, going to be super easy with the joystick piloting. Color matched to the Grady-White White. This is a special color made just for Grady-White. As you step on board, you want to wash your feet off or rinse the salt water off. You've got a freshwater shower right back here in the back. Talk about the fishability of this boat. It's not just a cruise around boat. It's not just a pleasure boat. We've got a fish box right here, and we've got a live well on the far port side. If you're not using this live well to put live bait in, it's also foam insulated around it, so you can just use it as an additional cooler. Both of these will hold ice really well. Super easy to deploy back seat. Of course, if you're fishing back here, you want the room for fishing, but if you're cruising around, put that seat out. Look how easy that seat is to deploy. Also, if you want to get in the shade, get out of the sun on those 98-degree summer days, this has got a Sure Shade electric sun top on it. So the electric push button takes this shade and extends it to about right here. Gives tons of shade, so you extend your fishing day quite a bit. Now going back to some of the cruising parts of it. On this side over here, we've got a back-to-back seat with an electric sun lounger. So push of a button, this sun lounger comes out, extends to right here. Freshwater sink on this side. Need to wash your glasses off, wash your hands. Solid surface countertop on that. Storage drawers down below. And again, when you get on this boat, feel how significant and heavy duty those are. They don't cut any quarters on the Grady-White boats. Double wide helm seat, also a power helm seat, so if you want to stand up or use it as a leaning post, move it forward, back, flip the thigh rise bolster down. Got lots of different options for sitting on here. Really nice footrest that I can put my feet up on. Tilt steering wheel. We're probably going to be putting on here very soon, we haven't done it yet, but we'll probably be putting a Garmin GPS fish finder combo unit on here. I'm going to guess probably a 12 or a 16 inch. But anyway, we'll probably over the next couple of weeks, if you come see this boat, this will have the electronics in it. Again, here's your joystick for getting into the dock, getting into your slip. You want the boat to spin, just twist it. You want the boat to move to the left, you don't have to touch your throttles, you don't have to touch your steering wheel. You move this boat around just by using your joystick. Remote for your stereo right there. Your stereo is actually located over on this side. It's got a great Fusion sound system in it, but they put a remote over here for the driver as well. This has got a nice big head compartment on it. Head has a macerator with an overboard discharge, so it does have a holding tank on board. So you can pump this head out either at the fuel dock, or if you get 3 miles offshore in the Atlantic, you can discharge your waste through the bottom of the boat. Really nice bow seating area on here. And last but not least, look how nicely they tuck your anchor windlass up underneath there. And you've got switches to run your anchor in and out right here. In and out buttons. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you want to take a test ride or just come by and see it, give me a call on my cell phone, 904-625-6146.